Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. We're in a different spot because we're gonna tie-dye in this video. So I have wanted to tie-dye things for weeks and weeks since we've been in quarantine, but I haven't been able to find a kit anywhere. I'm assuming that's because everyone had the same idea. But I managed to get my hands on a kit from Michaels. So I ordered it online and then picked it up in store. And it is the 70-piece one-step tie-dye kit. So we're gonna use this. I got a couple of white t-shirts from Walmart. I have one for Brian and one for me. He's probably not gonna wear it, but I didn't wanna just do one. You know, I wanted to do two. But while I was at Michael's picking up the kit, I spotted this one. I think it was less than 10 bucks. It's the reverse tie-dye kit. I also got me a black t-shirt at Michael's. Now I know this is basically just bleach, but you also can't get your hands on bleach these days. So I thought it would be fun to do 3 separate t-shirts. I also almost put makeup on for this video, and then I thought, why? Why would I do that? So I don't remember the last time that I tie-dyed anything. I wanna say it was probably when I was in Girl Scouts. So this could be a disaster. It could be a lot of fun. I also got a couple of white t-shirts for my nieces, and I was gonna make them, but I figured it would be more fun for them to be able to do it with me. So let's pull everything out. I laid down some beach towels. You'll see that in a second. I guess this is what they want you to lay down. We could probably do that too, but the beach towels, honestly, are probably just fine. It also came with rubber bands, which are nice because I tried looking for some and couldn't find any. We have some gloves, and then we have all of the colors. I'm pretty sure you just mix with water. Yeah, mix with water. I wanted them to tell me different techniques for getting, you know, oh, is this it? I wanted different looks for all the shirts and stuff. I didn't want them, I need some direction is what I'm getting at. General instructions: add water, apply dye, wrap, let set 6 to 8 hours and rinse. Okay, but I would like to know how I'm supposed to wrap it to get different designs. Google how to tie-dye.
To begin, make sure your t-shirts are clean. Wash them even if they're new. New shirts sometimes have a chemical that keeps the dye from taking properly.
We're not gonna do that.
Start crumpling the fabric with your fingers. Keep scrunching the tee until everything is in a crumpled mound. So
I did put this down. I don't want to get everything dirty, and I figured I have it. I should probably use it. Let's do Brian's first. I liked the Krinkle Technique. And they said, the guy in the video just said crinkle it until, I mean, listen, it's tie-dye. Can't be that serious, right? I'm gonna do his in yellow and green, like a light green. I do have a hunter green, but I think that the light green with the yellow would be prettier. Let's crunch these. Crunch them, please. Let's do one here too. My rubber bands are a little bit all over the place, but that's okay. All right, so these are the colors. Like I just said, we have yellow and green. We're gonna fill them. Do I have a fill line? We're gonna fill them, and then we'll get started. While I have clean hands before I do this one, I'm gonna go ahead and crunch my shirt. I did see that they showed how to do it spiral, but the outcome of the crunchiness I just liked a lot more. I've watched a couple of different YouTubers do this, and they kind of seem to gather it. By the way, these t-shirts were $3.88 at Walmart, and they feel like pretty decent t-shirts. Oh, I didn't do that one very well. Well, that rubber band's tight. I'm excited for these. I ordered a couple of t-shirts from Rue 21. The one t-shirt that I have that's tie-dye that I absolutely love is from Rue 21. But I got it in store and I can't find anything like it online. I ordered a couple, but they're just not the same fit. So let's crunch that while we have it. Listen, I'm not very creative and I don't really have patience for, you know, a lot of things. Let's crunch this piece and maybe, yeah, we'll sling those in with it. Crunch that, sit it up. I will say when I filled this one up, it's very turquoise, not so much this green on top. So that makes me a little nervous. Let's see how many sets of gloves I have. Maybe I'll do the black one spiral since we're gonna do these, the crunchy technique. They had another one, oh, there's a bunch of gloves in here. They had another one that they wrapped around a pole, but I didn't watch long enough to see the outcome because I liked the crunchy. We're gonna just, also they said on the video that I watched, I don't know if you heard, that you should wash your t-shirts first. I didn't do that. It's getting all over the place. Let's soak it up at the bottom. Let's do this corner. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I laid this thing down. Though I guess the towel probably would have been better. Oh, I just squirted that on me. Okay, these are really pretty next to each other though. This yellow is so pretty. Online it says to put it in a bag and seal it, so I have these big hefty Ziploc freezer bags. We're gonna put it in. It is 230, I think. Oops. I'll take these off. Do I leave air in it? Who knows? All right, let's do mine. All right, let's do the black one now. I think I want to do this one in the spiral. At least this one they show you. Spiral, crumple, bullseye. The bullseye one's pretty cool. This one's for me. So I want to see, let's do the spiral. Yeah. Do I cover the whole shirt? I guess not, because yeah, I think I did it right. I don't want to mess this up. I only got one of these. I've got this hanging out, so we're gonna tuck it and spiral one more time, or tie it one more time. All right, I don't want the whole thing. You know what I mean? I hope it lightens up enough to where I can see. Oh, it didn't shake all the way. Look, there's little, oh no, guess I didn't shake it good enough. Oh no, did I mess it up already? Honestly, let's just do it everywhere. I'm just gonna sleep in it anyways, but I'm a little, like, look how it's, you see the little beads. Why is it doing that? All right, we're done. I just want to show you the final product before I let it sit for a few hours. We have Brian's. How fun. This is mine. I'm happy I picked these colors. I need to get some of the air out, I think. And then the black one. Listen, I don't know. Y'all saw what happened with that one. So instructions say for these two, or online anyways, to sit 6 to 8 hours. So like I mentioned, it was 2:30. It's like 3 o'clock now. So we may wait until 9 or 10 tonight, and then we'll rinse those with cold water. This one says let's sit until desired look, but I don't really know what that look is. I would have thought, I guess it is turning a little bit. I guess it looks really dark on camera right now, but I guess I would have thought that it would have already started to turn a little bit. See the white specks in there? It may be hard to tell. The cat's trying to get in the window. All right, so first tie-dye experiment, done-ish. I'll see ya in like 8 hours. It is now almost 7:30 and we're gonna go ahead and wash the black one. My friend Jessica was telling me that with black and the bleach, you've gotta be careful because it can ruin the shirt completely, and that's not the look we're going for. So I think that this color is gonna be fine. I just noticed too that the rubber bands have popped. I don't know what happened there. So what we're gonna do is rinse this with cold water, and then I'm gonna pop it in the washing machine. Wonder how that happened. Maybe they were just stretched to the max. Okay, the color's good. How is the design? Oh, dang. Okay, it's not really the spiral, or was that what it's called, spiral, that I was going for, but that's okay. I'm glad I didn't do the other one spiral now. All right, honestly, it's not terrible. All right, good luck in there. Let's do I do it on a normal? Let's do a delicate wash in cold. All right. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the next day. So I want to show you the final product of the t-shirts. Obviously, this is the pink and orange one that I did for myself. I washed this one and the green one probably about 9 o'clock last night. I rinsed them with cold water, washed and dried them separately. So here's the green one. It's more of a blue than a green, so more like blue and yellow. This one is for Brian. How fun. I like these. I think they turned out good. And here's the one that I made for me. So these are the Walmart shirts. They're the George brand, and they're definitely softer than the black one. I'll put it on and show you in a second. So if you remember correctly, we did the scrunch method, I believe, with these two tops. And I think that it turned out so cute. For just a tee that was $4. I like it. Yes, I'm very happy with this one. It's very soft. It turned out cute. Now I'm gonna put on the black one. This one we did the twisting method. This neckline is aggressive. It's very high and tight. Also, like I said, this shirt is the Gildan, G-I-L-D-A-N brand. I bought it at Michael's and it's definitely not as soft. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's just not as soft as the other ones. So here's how the pattern turned out. You can tell a little bit up here and maybe here that I twisted it, but I think I did pretty good for my first try. Here's a look at the back. You may have another project coming because I might cut this neck. This is so uncomfortable, but I think I did a pretty good job for my first time, right? I love this one. I think this one turned out so cute. This one, like I said, I would like it if the neck wasn't so like choky. All right, so that's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will link, if I can find them, the tie-dye kits and the t-shirts that I used in the description box down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I had fun though, right? I mean, it was something different. I've been wanting to do it for a while, and this is the outcome. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.